Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday, November the 27th, 2020. Yes, this Sudoku is a binary puzzle. Puzzle number 1943. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here and O, there no. Double one, here and O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Then. 3 O's. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. We have now 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Then do we need to compare? That's the question. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah. Now I need to compare, I think. Yeah. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Overlooked that one. Alright. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to compare, I think. No, yes, the second row and the fourth row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, empty box. Okay, so we need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again. Yes, this column and that column. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. Well, we need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and see you very soon with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. Bye bye for now.